So in this video, you'll learn how to enable mono audio on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to scroll and select the option Accessibility. Under Accessibility, tap on Hearing Enhancements, and then you want to look for the option Mono Audio and tap on it. Then from here, to enable mono audio, just tap on the toggle and it will be turned on. Once it's turned on, you can now choose how you want it to be used. So if you want the sound to be coming out from your speakers, your phone speakers, and any other connected audio device, such as a Bluetooth speaker or Bluetooth headphones, simply select this option, connected audio and phone speakers, and now the same sound will be coming out of both devices' speakers. Alternatively, you can always just choose to select connected audio, and you can listen to the exact same sound coming from any connected device, such as your speakers or your headphones. It's completely up to you. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.